So if you were asked to consider why most people in real estate fail, what comes to mind? Maybe you challenge the premise. Could it be true that most people in real estate really do fail? Outsiders often look at the industry and come away with the opinion that it's easy. Some people believe realtors are way overpaid, and yet the failure rate in this industry is staggeringly high. According to the National Association of Realtors, 87% of people in this industry quit on a 5-year timeline. That's an amazingly high number. Even more so, 80% of first-year licensees fail to complete their first year in real estate. I mean, I can tell you, after nearly 15 years of working with every type of real estate agent, from brand new licensee to CEO of major international brands, I think I'm pretty well qualified to shine a light on the actual things that cause agents, teams, and brokerages to fail. And in many cases, they're the same reasons people fail in any business. My name is Dan Stewart, and I've lived this firsthand. In fact, I've failed more than most, having started 7 companies, 4 of which were dumpster fires. So yes, I know what it is to put it all on the line and lose. I know what it is to want to succeed while also struggling to take action when we most need to. I know what it's like to have the bills piling up and the money running out. And I know what it's like to fear losing the trust of those who count on you the most. And most of all, I know what it feels like to be too exhausted to carry on. Choosing to be self-employed is truly playing life on a different level. The settings are hard, right? We thought we were getting cheat codes when we said we're gonna start our own business, and instead we have sleepless nights. When things are finally going well, we're terrified it's gonna end. This is what it means to be self-employed, but it's not the whole story. Being self-employed can allow you, like it's allowed me, to experience life on a different level. I'm experiencing a life my younger self would only dream of. It's a life of certainty, of abundance, and of fulfillment. A life in which the positive economic outcome is no longer the primary motivator. Instead, wealth simply becomes the fuel that allows you to live a meaningful life. And that's why I've created Playbooks, which is a new core feature that Happy Grasshopper's offering to help you combine scenario-based guides and messaging campaigns drawn from both our members and my own experience as an entrepreneur. This is providing an entirely new way for you to reach out and connect with the contacts that are in your database so that you can build real, authentic relationships. You can overcome the common hurdles that are preventing you from having success with your database, and to navigate the extreme complexities that come from nurturing large groups of people at scale. These playbooks combine actionable strategies with pre-built campaigns. So as you implement them, you can go from where you are to where you'd like to be much more quickly. You see, in business, we don't have to invent how to be successful. We just have to execute. We have to do the things that need to be done at the time they need to be done with the right people. That's what playbooks are going to help you do.